Hello friends, to summarize on sigma bonds and pi bonds, we need to understand that sigma bonds are formed from end-to-end overlap of orbitals, or what we call sigma bonds are made through head-on fashion of overlap. You can see that the s orbital had a head-on fashion overlap with another s orbital in this case. So definitely what you are going to have is called a sigma bond. The same thing happened here. You see an end-to-end overlap. You know, they are two heads are joined together. It's called head-on fashion. And of course, what you expected to have here is a sigma bond. Okay. So for pi bonds are formed from lateral overlap of orbitals. Okay. Here you have a minimal interactions. You say that they have a side-away manner of overlap. Okay, which we can depict. You can see it with one p orbital lying side away to the other p orbital. This way, because of the interaction is minimal, we are going to have a weaker covalent bond called pi bond. Okay, just like in the last structure of a time that we drew, you saw that there is interaction between the p orbital of this carbon atom and the p orbital of that carbon atom. That weak overlap or lateral side-away overlap creates a weak bond, a weak covalent bond called pi bond. That said, you cannot agree with me that sigma bonds are stronger covalent bonds than pi bonds. That means that pi bonds are weaker kind of covalent bond. Just to test and evaluate your understanding of this topic, we've been able to, explain in the course of the week. A friend tells you that nitrogen gas N2 has 3 pi bonds due to overlap of 3 p orbitals on each n atom. Do you agree? Just to test for your understanding, do you agree to this statement? If you agree or you disagree, just explain and give reason for your answer in the comment section below. So take on this challenge. If you've been following this course, this topic, since inception when we started talking about hybridization, let's use this as an evaluation. Look at this question, think critically on it, analyze it, explain and give reason for your answer in the comment section below. I'm going to pay attention to look at students who answer these questions. Okay? Thank you. Continue to like, continue to love, continue to share and make your comments. Thank you. Bye.